Let's answer her post. Sagutan natin yung post ni Ma'am Eva Reyes about percentage. If 70% of a number is subtracted from itself, it reduces to 81. The question is, what is 2/5 of that number? Ngayon, isa-isahin natin kasi nakita ko kasi mga comment doon, may mga naiyak at may naguluhan. Para wag niyong katakutan ang math, dahan-dahanin natin siyang intindihin para makabuo tayo ng equation. If 70% of a number, dito muna tayo. Bali, 70% ang of, equivalent niyan ay multiplication, number, so let n be our number, n. Dito pa lang, if 70% of a number, that is 70% times n. Next, is subtracted from itself. Is meaning equal yan. Pag sinabing subtracted from itself, from, gawin natin dito muna. Itself, ito yung n na sinasabi, yung number mismo. So, ito yung n. From man siya. So, ibig sabihin, siya yung nauna. And minus 70% of n. Again, if 70% of a number, ito yon. If 70% of a number is subtracted from itself, is equal yan. So, bali itong is na to, dito na yan, equal. Is subtracted from itself. From, so nauna siya. Ito yung itself niya, n. n minus 70% times n equals. It reduces to 81. Yan yung answer. So ngayon, ito na yung equation natin. N minus 70% times n equals 81. 70% of n can also be written as 0.7 n. Tapos ito, n minus 0.7 equals 81. n minus 0.7 equals 0.3n equals 81. Tapos, mag-transpose tayo. I-divide natin pareho ng 0.3. Cancel out na siya. So, ma-isolate na si n dito. 81 divided by 0.3. Pwede mong gawin itong, lagyan mo ng 0. Gawin mong whole number itong 3. So, ganyan na siya. 810 divided by 3. And that is 270. So, yung equivalent ng n ay 270. Balik tayo sa question. Ito na yung given. If 70% of a number is subtracted from itself, it reduces to 81. Alam na natin yung equivalent ng number, which is 270. Ngayon, the question is, what is 2/5 of that number? What is 2/5 of that number? What, ito na yung answer natin, is equivalent yan ng, equal yan siya, 2/5 meaning 2/5 of multiplication yan, of that number, n. 2/5 times, yung equivalent ng n natin ay 270. So, 2/5 of 270, first, i-multiply muna natin yan, and that is 540 divided by 5, and that is 108. So, the answer here is 108. 108 ang sagot dito. Kung nalilito pa rin kayo, i-play nyo na lang ulit yung video. Thank you.